Hi everybody. I've missed making little videos for you. I haven't had to do it for quite a few weeks, but this week something's a little bit different. So we have worked on punctuation levels 1 and 2, capitalization level 1 and 2, and spelling level 1 and 2. This week is the first level of something we do when we're editing, something we have to look for, which are deletions. So this is a deletions editing practice. So you have a model here. It says, this model does not have any extra words or letters in words. Extra words and letters make a story hard to read. So another thing we have to do when we're editing is look for extra words or letters in words while we're editing so that our paper makes the most sense possible. So here's our example. Sharks. Sharks have lived in the ocean for a very long time. Hundreds of kinds of sharks can be found all over the world. So there's an example. There's no extra words or letters. It flows really smoothly. So, like the model says, extra words and letters make a story hard to read. So what I'm going to do for you with this practice part down at the bottom is I'm going to try and read it. That is a really great strategy that you can use to make sure that you don't have any extra words or any extra letters in your words. It might be hard for me to read because some of it might sound a little funny. But what's nice is if you notice that it sounds funny, that is probably a big hint that there's something you need to edit. So try and listen closely as I read. When you go back to your assignment, you might want to read it out loud to yourself again. You might have someone else in your house read it to you again so that you can make sure you catch all those mistakes. So it says, sharks, they come in many sizes. Some sharks are only a few inches long. The huge whale shark is the largest fish in the world. Many sharks are dark on the top and on light on the bottom. The shading, it makes it harder for other animals to see them. Most sharks have many teeth, rows of teeth. When one tooth breaks off, another one, it moves up to take its place. Most sharks eat fish. Large sharks eat sea lions, dolphins, and eat other sharks. Some sharks, they eat shellfish. These sharks have flat, have teeth. Sure, that was a little hard for me to read because there's some mistakes in there that we need to fix. So your assignment is to go in with your editing and see if you can find all those mistakes. There are going to be quite a few that the computer caught and have underlined, so lucky you. See if you want to accept the computer's changes, but be careful because the computer might even suggest a change that isn't correct. However, there are also, I think, 2 to 3 deletion mistakes in here that the computer did not recognize. So I'm curious to see who can find those too. Okay, good luck, guys.